In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find additional articles about Watership Down, maybe looking for additional information about one of the themes you might have identified from your other research. So for me, one of the themes that I identified looking at Literature Resource Center was this idea of utopias, right? So the first thing I probably want to look for is to see what articles I could find about Watership Down and utopias. So to do that, if I'm already on this Find Articles link, I can just scroll down, and the first database we're going to try out is JSTOR. If you're on the library's homepage, you can get to all of our research databases by clicking this Research Databases link, and then you could go to Databases A to Z and scroll down to JSTOR. What's really important is that you start from the library or the research guide so that the database knows that you're affiliated with our school, because when you click on the link to the database, you'll be asked to log in using your Cerritos College login. So like I said, I'm really interested about exploring the utopia that's, shown in Watership Down. And so to do that, I'm going to do a very simple search. And I'm just going to type in Watership Down. And I'm putting the title of the book in quotes because even though it's two words, I need those two words to show up next to each other. And utopia. And my and is in all caps because it's a search command to the database saying only bring me back articles that talk about Watership Down and utopia. And now we're looking at our results. So from Peter Rabbit to Watership Down, there and back again to the Arcadian Ideal, Watership Down and the Rehabilitation of Pleasure, The Hunt for Immortality, and Adams's Watership Down. So these are all really interesting. So let me click on the top one. And I can kind of scroll down. And the article is right here. I can share, save, download the article using these links. I can get the citation off this page here and just copy the MLA citation. And then what's great is it's kind of showing you that it looks like there was an entire journal dedicated to Watership Down. And so they're showing you all these other articles that are about this book. So this right here is JSTOR, and that's how you could use that to explore one topic here. So the thing that's important to remember is that a database is just a collection of information. So we have a bunch of different collections of information. So depending on the theme that you're interested in exploring, might dictate which database you should use. So one of the other themes that is interesting in this book is this idea of, leadership or power structures, and also the idea of like female leaders, right? Or gender roles in leadership. And so there's a different database would be good for that. You could still look in JSTOR for articles related to that, but for those kind of questions, I'd probably go to a database called Academic Search Complete. And you can get it from the research guide I gave you, or on the A to Z list of databases, it's right up here. And I can do the same thing. I could do, I could look up Watership Down and women, or maybe I want to broaden out, like I have ideas and textual evidence from the book, but I want to see what articles there are about this topic. So I could do like leadership and gender, for example. And the first thing I want to do is limit to full text. And, if I find things on the first page of results, then, I might be done. Otherwise, I probably have to narrow using other terms. But if I like this one, I could click on the title. I could read the abstract, which is the summary. This one looks like it's going to help me out because it's talking about social groups and collective behavior. That might be other aspects of the book that you want to explore in the literature. And to get this, if I can click on my access options, I have two different options. I'm going to look at the PDF. I have the full text of the article here. If I want to share it or download it, I can click these options here. If I click this one, it's going to send me to the citation. I'll just change this to MLA, and then I can copy and paste the citation. So those are just two quick examples of how to use some of the databases to search for additional information, either criticism of the book in regards to a specific theme, or if you just want to explore more about, one of these themes through the literature. And if you get stuck, if you can't find what you're looking for, if you can't get to the full text, if things aren't working for you, then please come on over and click this orange link, Chat with a Librarian, and you'll be talking to a person, and we can even Zoom with you to help you out.